Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a painting of a tree near a mountain cliff. So let's get started. First I have applied some color on a paper. I have applied black, blue and white color. We have to blend these three colors with each color very smoothly. Adding some more color to have a realistic view of the sky. Now it's time to draw the mountain cliff using black color. First we have to draw the outer lines. Now have to shade in the inner area. Now I'm going to make the stem of the tree. Have to make the leaves using yellow color and then we have to use green color in it. Now it's time to make the moon. We have to make the moon using white color. Have to shade in it. Now nearby the moon we have to make some clouds using white color with a bunch brush. My beautiful and stunning painting is completed. If you like my today's video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.